Did you know that the mantis shrimp can punch with the speed of a bullet? That's right, this tiny marine creature boasts the fastest punch in the animal kingdom, moving its claws at 50 miles per hour. This explosive power not only shatters the shells of prey but can even break aquarium glass. The secret lies in a special muscle mechanism that stores and releases energy like a spring. This allows the mantis shrimp to strike with a force over 1,500 times its body weight. Talk about packing a punch. So, next time you think about superpowers, remember the mantis shrimp's deadly 1-2 combo. Nature's own little boxer reminds us that big surprises often come in small packages. For more jaw-dropping animal facts, like and subscribe for more videos.